I recently made 2 short videos on how to properly position a cutting or sanding board on an angle grinder. Both videos have many views and also many negative comments, especially from Russian-speaking countries. I am not familiar with it. Are their angle grinders different? You can watch both short videos on the links in the description of this video, so you can see for yourself. Do they deserve so many negative comments and explanations that something else should be done? And in this video I explain the same, only the video is a little longer and more extensive. Plates are not possible at all. Set it differently, because otherwise problems would arise that you can see in the rest of the video. You can put thin cutting boards or thicker boards that are mostly for sanding on the angle grinder. If you place the nut in this way on a thin cutting board, it can easily cause self-injury and cracking plates. As you can see, there is a huge gap between the plate and the plate cannot be clamped. If you turn the nut on the other side, the plate is easily clamped and you can work with it normally. The reverse way of installing the nut applies to the sanding plate. If you turn it to this flat side, you don't have enough threads for it clamping and the plate will be barely set. Or maybe you can't work with such a setting. Therefore, the nut must simply be turned and placed on the plate so that this protruding part on the nut enters the grinding plate. This is the only and a safe way to use a nut to clamp plates of different thicknesses. I have another tip for you. You can clamp the panels without a key. You heard right. To remove or tighten the plate, it is enough to press the button on the bottom with one hand and turn the plate. Thanks for watching, and I hope the skeptics will finally understand the difference.